whichever level you're at, start thinking about how do I move up one level? How do I, make that improvement, make those incremental, reasonable improvements as you're in flight with your content, because almost certainly you can't throw it away and start over. If you're in a startup and you're brand new, then congratulations, because you can kind of pick a level and say, this is where we need to be for now for our current size, our current company maturity, and think about what it looks like to move up as you go. But really, really think about, honestly, about where you are on this and what you can do with it. And then, a content audit, understanding what you have, both on the back end, stored, and on the delivery front end, can be very, very helpful to figure out what your next step needs to be.
And then you consult your experts, and it's an ongoing engagement. What are those steps? We're here for you to speak with, and we'll give our contact details out. But if you want to look at your content strategy your content strategy, talk to Scriptorium. If you want to then start, you've talked about the strategy, you've set up your model, then you want to start that migration and start detecting those duplicates and start applying that strategy to how you deal with that content, how you tag it. Then DCL's there for you. And then if you looking for that content operation, the content solution, do I want this type of CCMS? Do I want it based on this standard? Then, you come to RWS. And so together, it's that process, your audit, your strategy, and then your implementation, and all the time, and get us all to talk to each other. And that's why we thought it'd be great, having all three of us in here. We're all parts of, and don't create silos. Bring us all together, get us to talk to each other, rather than talk to one without letting them know where you want to go or where you've been.
DCL stands for Data Conversion Laboratory, and we've been asked to just, convert this content. Sure. But there are many times when people have come to us and it's like, you really would benefit speaking to Scriptorium or, a strategic organization. And we much prefer working in this order, because we know that when it's time to convert that content, to migrate to RWS, it is going to go smoother for everyone.